In 2025, starting a YouTube channel is easier than ever. But if you're a complete beginner, where do you start? That's exactly what we're going to show you in this video. We'll walk you through creating a new YouTube channel, including picking the right name, designing a logo, and uploading your first video. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest AI tech tips and tricks. Now let's get started. The very first thing you'll need to do is create a Google account. Most people already have one since it's required to use Gmail, but if you don't have a Google account, you won't be able to start a YouTube channel. To create a new Google account, go to Google.com and click on the Sign In button at the top right, then select Create an Account. From here, follow the prompts to enter your personal information and create a password. Once you have a Google account, head over to YouTube.com. Then click on the profile icon on the top right and select Create a Channel. On this page, you'll be asked to choose between using your name to create a personal channel or to create a channel with a custom name. If you're creating a channel for a business or brand, it's best to choose the custom name option. This will give you more flexibility when it comes to branding and will help you build a stronger online presence. Now that your channel has been created, it's time to start customizing it. This is your first impression on YouTube, so you want to make sure that it's memorable. Start by choosing a name for your channel. It should reflect the type of content you plan to share and be easy to remember. Next, upload a profile picture. This could be a photo of yourself or a logo if you're representing a business or brand. The size of the image should match the dimensions of a profile picture. Finally, add a channel art banner. This is a great opportunity to showcase your personality or brand. Again, you can use a photo or graphic for this, but make sure it fits YouTube's recommended dimensions. You can also include relevant keywords in your banner art, which will help people find your channel through YouTube search. Now let's take a closer look at each of these customization options. First, the channel name. Your channel name should be relevant to your content and memorable. Take some time to brainstorm a few ideas before committing to one. Once you've chosen a name, it's important to check its availability. You can do this by going to YouTube Studio and checking the channel settings. If the name you want is already taken, you may need to come up with a different one. Next, the profile picture. Your profile picture should be a high-quality image or logo that represents you or your brand. It should be relevant to your content and visually appealing. When uploading an image, make sure it's the right size, otherwise, it may be distorted. A good profile picture can help people recognize you on YouTube and differentiate you from other creators. Finally, channel art. Your channel art should be visually appealing and represent you or your brand. It should also fit within YouTube's recommended dimensions so it doesn't get cut off. You can use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create a professional-looking banner without any design experience. One of the most important aspects of your channel is the content you create. Before you start filming, it's essential to identify your niche and research trends in your industry. This will help you create content that's both engaging and relevant to your target audience. To find your niche, ask yourself what you're passionate about and what you enjoy sharing with others. This could be anything from gaming to beauty to fitness. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to research trends. You can use tools like Google Trends and YouTube's trending page to find out what's popular in your industry. This will help you create content that's relevant and engaging to viewers. A great way to stay organized is to create a content calendar. This will help you plan ahead and ensure that you're releasing content consistently. A content calendar is a visual representation of your content strategy. It allows you to schedule and organize your content in advance, ensuring that you're always ready to publish. When creating a content calendar, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, consider your target audience and what they want to see. Next, think about your goals for your channel and what you want to achieve. Finally, make sure to plan for consistency. Viewers are more likely to tune in if they know when to expect new episodes. You can use a variety of tools to create a content calendar, such as spreadsheets or project management software. No matter what tool you use, the most important thing is to plan ahead and stay organized. Now let's discuss how to film and edit your first video. To film your first video, you don't need expensive equipment. A smartphone with a good camera is a great place to start. However, if you want to invest in higher quality equipment, we recommend a digital camera or camcorder. You'll also need a tripod to stabilize your footage and a microphone to improve your audio quality. Good lighting is also essential for high-quality videos. Natural light is always best, so try filming near a window. If you're filming in low light conditions, you may need to invest in softbox lights to brighten the scene. Once you've filmed your video, it's time to edit it. You can use software like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro to edit your footage. You'll also need a computer with enough RAM to handle the editing software. So now you know all the steps involved in starting a successful YouTube channel. Just remember to be patient and consistent. It takes time to build an audience, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. With hard work and dedication, you'll be on your way to YouTube success in no time. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tech tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.